Hey, it's Philip Johansson here, and you landed on this page because that means you have registered for this free on-demand training, and I'm super excited that you are here because we're gonna break down the 7 myths there is in affiliate marketing. If you're doing one of these myths, that's probably why you haven't got the results you are looking for in your affiliate marketing business. And then I'm gonna tell you how I got $43,000 in affiliate commission in 7 days using 100% free traffic. Yes, you don't need to use and spend your money on complicated sales funnels and paid advertising and all of that to make a life-changing income online. And then I'm gonna tell you how to get this free traffic and then fuel it to a secret conversion system of ours. That is the key to how we made so much affiliate commissions, me and my partner. Okay, you have registered for this training, so you have booked a slot. And remember to show up 15 minutes before. You have got an email with the email you have submitted to me on the time and with the link to make sure you're on the training 15 minutes before, because it's gonna be fully packed and it's gonna blow you away. That's a promise. This training right here might be the solution you're looking for. If you have been struggling for affiliate marketing for so long, what feel like years, this is the training that you need to see. If I blow you away, we have an opportunity to move further with more training. That is only an opportunity, of course. So I need you to write down the date and time that you have booked for this training. If you have to, put it on your forehead, your girlfriend's forehead, your boyfriend's forehead, or on the fridge. Put it everywhere, okay? You need to see this training. It will blow you away. Super excited that you are here. And yeah, can't wait to see you. Oh, by the way, we have shown this to a lot of other people and you can see their results on the screen right here. They have got, after they have seen this training, they have got results within days, weeks, okay? This is the last training you will ever need to see on affiliate marketing, okay? So remember to show up 50 minutes before, and then I can't wait to see you inside of the training. Let's get it.